Hello, this is Ed Hefner for Genie Smart Systems, showing you another innovation in energy conservation. Today, we're going to show you how to save some money and build a nice little reliable power line carrier system. This way you don't have to run any wires. But today we've got it hooked up to a space heater. This here is what they call a programmable logic relay. It's almost like a programmable logic controller, except you don't have analog outputs and you can't do a whole lot of extra stuff that you could do with a PLC. But it's pretty close. Alright, so what we have here is the PLR. It's a Takeo, and it's going to run you about $100. It's got 6 inputs, digital inputs, and 2 analog inputs. It's 12 volts DC input, and then we have 4 outputs. We have our power flash interface, which we're using for outputs, which actually sends a signal out to the house, and then actually will activate these devices out in the field. Right here we're using it as a reset. This is a power loss reset. This is for the thermostat, which is sitting right here. This would be out in the field, and then this would trigger this, and this also would be out in the field. So this stays here, this stays here, this goes out in the field, this goes out in the field. Okay, and then we have 2 of these inside this heater. And what we're going to do, right now the heater's on, and we're going to shut the power off. Okay, now we don't have any power. Now we're going to bring the power back up, and it's automatically going to reset itself. We're going to watch it. Okay, it just came on. It's got like a 10-second delay in case you have a storm and it keeps going on and off. Now it's going to automatically set the temperature. First round it only goes down to 60 degrees. Then the second round it's going to take it all the way down to 39 degrees. And there you go. And you can use these in your house if you want to save a lot of energy, because normally you wouldn't be able to do this. It's not really set up for automatic, but the way I have it set up, if the power is lost, these things won't come back on. You actually have to manually turn them back on. But because we have a PLR, the PLR resets the heater, turns the heater on, and then adjust the temperature to whatever you want. And you can adjust the temperature according to how many seconds you put on the timer that is in the PLR. Now I wish that you all could see this a little better. I just can't quite get a really good picture on it. Or I'd show you that you can actually, right now it's